In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add VPN extension to your Google Chrome browser. This enhances online privacy by encrypting your internet traffic and masking your IP address, which protects your data from hackers and tracking. To do this, simply head to your Chrome. You will want to tap onto these three dots right here. Select onto this option of extensions. Click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Now onto the search bar. Search for the VPN application of your own choice. For my case, I'll use the VPN. Head to it and tap on Add to Chrome. Your VPN will get added to your extension successfully. Now once done, open up a new tab and click right here on the extension icon. Click on the pin icon to pin the VPN extension to your browser for easy access. This offers convenient security on public networks and ensuring a safer, more private internet experience. Well, that's how easy it is to add VPN extension to your Google Chrome browser. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.